reward system. Pero syempre, talagang maganda lang makita sa team mo na sobrang movement, their action, and even from their skills to passing, serving, blocking, attacking. So yun talaga makikita mo na syempre pag lesser error yung isang team, talagang makikita mong malakas sila as a whole.
Nagpapakita naman ang lakas ngayon si Aragalang. Bumalasan na rin talaga si Coach Norman. Pauline Gaston started this game. We saw Zacarandang. Now it's Seth's turn. Nice down the line, Aragalang.
One of the clean spikes coming from her in this match.
She has 7 attack points now in this game. Off speed.
Talagang it's her last touch eh. Talagang siya gagawa ng paraan, which is nice also for a player.
Savvy could be reaching 30 by the way in this game. We'll have to watch that. Back
More.
row.
There you go. Yeah.
I think she wants it. All right, let me locate the conference high for Savvy Davison. Ito na. This is her conference best performance scoring-wise. Before, yes, it was 22. Pavicina. Saved by Ces Robles. But this will be a free ball. CAF, multiple options. She said, ako na lang.
Push towards the side of Batista there.
Pang-ilan yan eh? Pangatlo? In this game?
Yes.
The 1-2 for CAF.
Another point,
attack
yeah.
point. Just everything for PLDT. We're gonna get an update on her scoring tally in a moment. Almost back to back to back. Pavicina!
The first 6, sila pa rin naglalaro, not shuffling the players too much.
It's momentum that they have built since the start of the year. It's a good return. Nice pass. Bang!
Whew. Talagang giving it her best game.
That's why she's an MVP. Batista, 2 players from behind could not say that. 5-12. Nice pass. 1-2. That's at least 5 points now for CAF in this game.
Really scoring setter here. That's since her LaSalle days.
Yeah.
No?
Ooh, Batista, 3 blockers in front of her. No problem.
3 blocks.
Alina Bicar. Hardo. To Palomata. Nice save by Jen Yerba. It's Peñafiel. Scoring off the blocker. Back to her. KKD. Back row. Oh!
Almost.
Almost. Shank pass. Chance on the other end. Peñafiel sending it through. Good read by CAF. Nastia. Yerba with the dig. 5. Too powerful.
Yeah. 4-0 now for Cherry.
Pavicina denied. That must feel really good for Aragalang.
Yeah, not a run. I want to commend the serving here coming from Bicar, no?
Palomata.
Oh,
I was out. 14-10 off the side out of PLDT. Sharp serve. Peñafiel. Oh!
my gosh, what a hit. Grabe, parang kaya makipag-laban sa men's as spikers. Offsets there. Another option for you to score a point is off the blocker's finger.
That is an absolute early Christmas gift for Savvy Davison.
Yep. Ang kitang-kita ko. Na-experience ko yan talaga.
Sa'yo ibibigay yan.
Parang minsan nangongotrata ka na pag sa bench pa lang. Pag nag-double sub tayo, bigay mo na sa akin.
Oops. Yeah, that's hard for Ranget to try to even save.